Nelson or Mr. Old Dog or Turtle RCF. Yo, I should probably just pick a name. So today we are going to be giving a high schooler, I think he's 16, 17, probably 16, and we are going to be giving him a ride in the Lexus RCF. Something interesting about the kid in the car right now is that, yo guys, believe it or not, right, his dream car is a HellCat. And I'm gonna be honest, I am here to change his mind. I'm here to make him want a Lexus one day, and to take the idea of a HellCat and just take it out of his head. But anyways, guys, I'm talking too much, and let's actually get into the car and let's go speak to him. So let's go. Yo, bruh, yo, has anyone like, yo, all right, guys, so we're in the car, right? As I said, we're about to give him a ride along in the Lexus RCF. By the way, everyone knows that this car is really slow, right? According to a lot of people. So
all right, so it don't go too fast.
It does not go too fast, I promise. All I'm gonna say is you're about to see how slow it is, bro.
Now why the car push me back like that? All right.
But before anything,
so I don't need my seatbelt, right?
She'll put your seatbelt on because, like, you know, a lot of people can't drive.
Okay.
I mean, like, I could drive though, but like a lot of other people cannot drive. So
yeah, I know what you mean.
Yeah, keep it on. But before we even start, what's your favorite car so far?
I'm real basic. My favorite car, probably a track hawk. I ain't gonna say a HellCat. You know what I'm saying? I don't got dreads, but you know.
Why is a HellCat or track hawk your favorite car?
I ain't gonna lie, the car looks good. It goes fast. You know what I'm saying? The engine, beautiful. The sound the car makes. You know what I'm saying?
All right, cool.
Yeah.
Have you ever heard of RCF?
Nah, I ain't never heard of RCF
no?
before. Nah.
No. Yeah, it's because it's not mainstream, right?
It's not mainstream?
Yeah,
What's RCF?
So, I mean, you're about to find out.
I'm about to find out.
You're about to find out what RCF is.
All right.
But anyways, guys, right, we are going to give him a ride along, and yeah, hopefully he does find out what an RCF is after today. Now, there's 3 people in the car, right? So the car is gonna feel extra slow on top of it already being as slow as it is, right? So like, because the more people, you know,
yeah, the slower the car gets.
Yeah, exactly.
Basic physics.
Yeah, it's physics, you know? Yeah, so.
The wheel looks like a spaceship wheel.
Yeah? I think so?
Yeah. You sure this car is slow?
Dude, bro, it's real, bro, it's stupid slow. Bro, it's so slow, I had to cut half of the wheel off, you know?
Bruh?
It's so slow.
Dang.
Yeah, like, because it was so slow, I cut half of the wheel off so that the car could actually be faster, you know? Because like, yeah, you know how it is, you know? Yeah, but we are out. Let me say peace out to my dad. Turn on Sport Plus, even though it's a slow car.
He just chilling.
Oh yeah, of course. It's a slow car. You can even ask Kayla here.
Yeah. Car slow?
Yeah.
It don't sound slow. Oh, I won't fly out the window though, right?
I'm gonna be honest. It's impossible to fly out at 5 miles per hour.
Okay, that makes sense.
Because like, you know, it's a really slow car. I meant to ask, what's the fastest car you've been in?
The fastest car I've ever been in?
Yeah.
Dang. I've never been in a real fast car, so I ain't gonna lie, the fastest car I've ever been in probably is an Infinity, man.
Infinity. All right. Cool.
Infinity though, yeah.
Oh, it's the SUV.
The SUV Infinity. Yeah.
All right, so there's no Q60, nothing, you know.
Q60? Nah.
You know, no.
Where you get Q60 from?
He's beating the RCF on E85, bro. Like, what's that gonna do for you? I don't know. You tell me. Oh, I see a Type R.
Is that a HellCat? Racing.
It's gonna race a HellCat. Work on.
Now why the car push me back like that?
I don't know, bro. You tell me.
Nah, this car is actually not.
You tell me, bro.
How you get to 70 so quick?
I don't know, bro. Bro, it's slow, bro. What do you think so far, bro?
Nah, I'm not gonna lie to you, this car is fire, bro.
Huh?
This car is fire, bro.
Yeah.
It popped out my ears, bro.
You're so loud, right? It's insane. Do you think it's fast or not? Or
Honestly,
slow or not?
This car is hella fast, bro. car's fast, bro. Real fast.
Yeah.
More than a HellCat, you gonna need to race a HellCat, bro. So I can see. You think this is faster than a HellCat?
Nah.
Nah?
Nah. 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 Unfortunately not. But I mean,
I was wrong. This might be faster than a HellCat.
I mean, I don't know, bro.
Oh my god.
Nah, but it's pretty dope, though. We're in a traffic jam for 68 minutes, stuck in traffic. All right, guys, so traffic was so bad that we actually stopped to grab some, you guys can't really tell, but some Chick-fil-A. So here we are. And I think I'm gonna actually change the camera angle. I think I'm gonna put it in a first person perspective. As I mentioned before, we are at Chick-fil-A, got the RCF right there. And the highway is, I don't know, somewhere over there. But anyways, guys, the traffic was so bad that, as I said before, we had to like get off the highway and grab some food. Cause like, bro, insane. But anyways, guys, right? This might be the end of the, well, I'm not saying it's gonna be the end of the video, but it might be the end of the ride along because of the traffic. He thought this car was as fast as a HellCat or even faster. What? But yeah, at the end of the video, I am for sure going to ask him if a HellCat still is a car he wants. I'm pretty sure the answer is gonna be yeah. I just wanted to have a teen's perspective on cars because I feel like a lot of teens, you know, want HellCats and stuff, and no one ever pays attention to like an RCF. So yeah, I introduced him to an RCF. He now knows what an RCF is, kinda. You know, he'll probably still assume an F Sport is an RCF, but it is what it is. But yeah, guys, it's a pretty chill day, and catch you guys back on the highway. Yo, thank you so much, bro. Yeah, I appreciate it. Huh? Oh shit. Yeah, bro, this is a 8-cylinder version too. Yeah, it's ace. Yeah, I'll show you after, bro. It's fire, right, bro? Bro, yeah, thank you, bro. I'll show you how it sounds also. Yeah, I'll show you. Yeah, but stupid loud, bro. Yeah, I'll show you how it sounds also, bro. That should be enough gas.
How you doing?
Yo, this shit's insane, bro. Look. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how it sounds, bro. I got you. Yo, thank you, bro. Yeah, I appreciate it.
Now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Bro, I think I just sparked it, bro. Is this how I became a car person? Actually, no.
No, I just think it's
It's not how I became.
because of when he got his first car,
Uh-huh.
he got into a Corolla, right?
Yeah.
But it wasn't ideal. Like, he didn't really want that car.
So you wanted to mod it up?
Mod it to make it what he wanted, you know? And then ever since then,
Yeah.
Became a car person.
Yeah, so it all started from an 09.
This car is crazy. Yo, I've never been in a car that made me like.
Nah? Bro, the
Like,
feeling
like,
is
it's
insane.
back here, I'm telling you, I feel like it's
Look,
back here.
and the worst thing is, right, you aren't even experiencing all of the power because there's 3 people in the car. And also, I'm not on E85, so like E85 is a special fuel that makes it even faster.
Faster?
Yeah, it makes it even faster
louder?
and louder. Yeah, it makes it, bro. So like, yeah, yeah. So I feel like right now you're in like safety mode right now, bro.
Safety mode?
Yeah, it's crazy. example, the new M4s and M3s, yeah, those are faster.
Would you ever get a HellCat?
A HellCat? No. I'm gonna be honest. I wouldn't get a HellCat, but I would drive a HellCat. And the only reason why I wouldn't cop a HellCat is because I feel like a lot of people have it, and that's something about me. Yeah. I just hate having cars that everyone has, which is why I don't have a HellCat. I don't have an M4 or an M3 because, like, bro, those are everywhere. Audis are fast, bro. Fast, like fast, as in like faster
than this car.
And this car, and probably a HellCat. I'm gonna be honest.
A HellCat is faster too? I mean, obviously.
Yeah. I'll say like HellCats are fast, but like there are a lot of cars that's faster than Hellcats.
What's the fastest car you can think of right now? It's not super.
I'll say it's the new M4s, bro. You could like reach like 800 horsepower by an email and a metal pipe.
That's it?
That's it, bro. This car is like 500 horsepower, and like I needed.
This car is only 500 horsepower?
Yeah, bro.
No. I mean,
shocked, right?
Oh, what?
Yeah.
So 1,000 horsepower, how crazy is it?
Bro, 1,000 horsepower, you are flying to the moon.
Oh my goodness!
But also with the 1,000 horsepower, the only thing that you could do with the 1,000 horsepower is go in a straight line also.
So you can't turn at all.
With the 1,000 horsepower, if you step on the gas and if you try to turn, you're probably crashing, I'm being honest. People that think 1,000 horsepower is cool, yeah, it's cool, but like I feel like
have as much fun.
Yeah, exactly. You can't have as much fun with 1,000 horsepower. Like you could have way more fun with 300 horsepower, I'll say even 200 horsepower than you could with 1,000 horsepower. 500 is enough, bro. Like honestly, like there are some people who get 500 horsepower cars and they crash it. Yeah, because 500 horsepower is a lot of horsepower, bro.
I'm gonna say it right now.
Say it.
Today he put me onto the RCF. This might be my new favorite car. I ain't gonna front. I ain't gonna lie. Hellcat's not the move. You need an RCF. Invest, I'm telling you, bro.
Yo,
listen.
You guys heard him, RCF. What? Bro, it's the sound, it's the looks. And as you see, bro, everywhere I go, bro, I get attention.
I know, literally, bro. It's crazy.
See? I don't know. Whoa. Okay, bro. Look, see him? Ask Kayla, right? Every time I'm in this car, right? Someone follows me and starts cutting up.
Bro?
Yeah, out of nowhere.
Now this car is actually fire.
This car is actually unappreciated by like a lot of people.
Keep it unappreciated. What?
It's been like keep it unappreciated. Yeah, I mean, I agree.
Can't be the new HellCat, bro. I'm telling you, don't let them get out.
Yeah, hopefully not. You know, hopefully not.
I'm gonna give you a fire video idea for the next 2 years if you're still doing YouTube, bro.
Alright.
For my prom, you gotta pick me up in this car, bro.
Okay. Alright.
You know what I'm saying? You gotta pick me up in this car.
Alright.
I can't listen.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
Up in this car,
Bro, I'll make sure I have it all washed up and clean for you.
Alright,
Yep.
Alright, but if it's good, I'll keep the take.
alright.
Yep.
Easy wait.
You the first that I text in the morning, and I hope I ain't being annoying. Wanna tell you my feelings inside on the real, but you probably think that I'm corny. Tryna show you some shit that go deep into love. I hope you don't think that I'm horny.